Bwalabiseko eri olukiiko olukulu olw'eggwanga, Minisita omubeezi w'ebyemizannyo Honorable Charles Bakabulindi ategeezezza ababaka nga gavumenti bwetavangayo n'akamu kusuubiza abasambi ba ttiimu y'eggwanga The Cranes mutwalo gwa nsimbi za dola za Amerika bwe bukadde bw'ensimbi za Uganda 34 singa bawangula omupiira gwa Comoros e Namboole. Bakabulindi agambye ebyogerebwa nti gavumenti yakabawaako shillings 1000 zokka eza dola byabwewusa era si bituufu.
Government has never promised 10,000 and the government has never given 1,000.
Ku nsonga y'omutendesi wa ttiimu y'eggwanga Micho Seredjovic Mutin okubanga abanja omusaala ogusoba myezi 5, minisita ategeezezza nga gavumenti bw'emaze okutuula ne FUFA ne bakkiriziganya asasulweko obukadde bw'ensimbi za Uganda 50.
But because he's doing wonders for us, I called him. We sat with the ministry and agreed with FUFA people, and I said, much as we are now going to include your contract so that we can find a way of adopting the coach, but for the time being, we are going to produce something to his demand on salaries. And we have already prepared 50 million for the coach. So that at least he does not complain much as we wait for any bigger resources that will come.
Okusinziira ku minisita Bakabulindi bategeseewo ekijjulo ekyenjawulo kwe baneebaliza ttiimu y'eggwanga The Cranes olw'okuyitawo mu mpaka z'ekikopo kya Africa 2017 e Gabon.
It comes to the Cranes, of which I salute so much because they did it for us. We have already even booked the Cranes members to have land. The state is organizing a luncheon for them, and whenever it organizes a luncheon, you know what associates that luncheon. But unfortunately, decided together with FUFA that we are going to have it in the first week of October. When they come back to prepare for the World Cup is when we shall have that junction. So we are mindful about what they did for this country.
Mu ngeri y'emu Paalamenti esiimye omuddusi w'embiro David Emong eyawangulira Uganda omudaali gwa ffeeza mu mbiro za mita 1500 mu mizannyo gya Paralympics ezayindira mu kibuga Rio de Janeiro eky'eggwanga lya Brazil.
David, for achieving the 1,500 meters, I'm in support of it, and as government, we are going to sit down, put down what the members have raised so that we can see how to address them. I thank you very much.
Brian Katende mnabya mizannyo, Kingdom TV, amalindirire.
This is Kingdom TV.